right, it is now done. It says end, it just beeped, so it was like 5 minutes. But I did want to let you guys know, you can, like when I first tried it, it said to add, see it beeps when it's done, to add vanilla or agave. So you can flavor this however you want. Because I put it in my coffee, I don't really add it. I don't feel like I need anything, so I stopped doing that. So anyways, the blender, the cooking blender does come with this mesh strainer milk for alternate milk. So what you want to do is just kind of strain it out. And the way you lift this, you don't have to twist it, it just kind of goes up. All right, and it's like a solid, like it's just heavy and solid. It's glass, it's not plastic, and it gets nice and clean. So let's take the lid off and strain our almond milk. So let me know if you guys have tried any other alternative milks. I have not, but I would love to. We just pour it in here, and then strain out the pulp. Ooh, crap. By the way, the pulp, I've just been Googling it. You can make your own almond flour out of the rest of the pulp. You can make cookies and crackers. So I'm going to play with that a little bit. So before I strain this out for you guys, I'm going to add a little bit of water and drop of soap and show you guys how this cleans itself. It's like pretty amazing. All right, just adding some water over here if you guys are joining. Alright, so you literally need like just a tiny bit of water, a little bit of water, maybe like 2 cups or something. And now we're going to clean it. So a lot of times you don't want to use a blender because it's a pain in the butt to clean. And this one cleans itself. So we're going to do the heated wash cycle. I have a little bit of water and a splash of soap. And now this is going to clean, and it's going to bring it up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's going to sanitize it as well. All right, here's our almond milk. Now you just got to squeeze this out. It takes like 2 seconds. It's almost a little, you know those videos you watch that are like satisfying videos? That's what I feel when I do this. It's pretty satisfying. All right, look at that. For 1 cup of almond milk. So here's really the math, right? Because is it really cheaper? It's probably about the same. But first of all, you know what you're putting in your almond milk. There's no additives. But you do get, you know, 5 cups of almond milk, maybe 4 to 5 cups of almond milk. And then with the rest of the pulp, you can make almond flour. So if you go through a lot of almond flour, you know, that's expensive too. But at least you know what you're making. And honestly, you can never run out as long as you have almonds in your cupboard, which is pretty cool too. See, it just comes right out. Just squeeze it all out, put it in the fridge, and you are good to go. Like I said, you can flavor it with whatever you want. I don't need it, so it's all good. All right, this is it, right? How easy is that? And then this right here is the almond pulp, or almond meal, I think it's called. And you can dry this and bake it and make almond flour, or you can add it into, I was looking like no energy bite, like little balls or brownies or something. So you can do all that, and there's our almond milk. So just to show you the heated cycle, the heated wash cycle, right now, good morning guys. This right here, the top means it's bringing up to temperature, so it's saying 93 right now. So it's actually heating it up, because you wouldn't want to wash it not heated up, right? You would want to make sure that whatever you're washing gets sanitized as well. So it's bringing it up to the right temperature, and then it's gonna go at it and wash it. So the cool thing is, it's not like your blender where you just push a button and it does the same thing all the time. It has different settings preset, so it's kind of like a cooking robot, honestly. So imagine making baby food, hiding veggies in your kids' food, which is pretty amazing for me. Oh, OMG, the sauce setting, I made Alfredo sauce in it, like literally homemade Alfredo sauce. My husband made hollandaise, all in here. It does come with a, let me show you guys while this heats up. It does come with a cooking guide to give you all kinds of different tips and ideas. Let me show you guys what it comes with. And actually it comes with me, right? You get your own little rep to give you tips and ideas. So anyway, so it comes with different recipes: strawberry, banana smoothie, sweet potato soup. Literally guys, you put your raw sweet potatoes in here, you walk away, you push a button, and you come back and your soup is done. It cooks the potatoes, it chops them, it mixes them, grinds them, whatever, it does it all. So It's got a smoothie setting with different smoothie ideas. Those expensive smoothie bowls that you can get, I know we have a store here locally. You can just make them yourself in 1 minute. The smoothie setting takes 1 minute. Alternate milk, like I just said. So I do the almond milk, there's cashew milk, coconut milk. I'm kind of interested in this combo milk, rice milk, oat milk. I didn't even know half those things existed, but apparently you can. Horchata, I didn't even know what that was. Grinding setting, so grinding, you should be able to hear it a little bit. It's like heating it up. Grinding setting, it's literally like you can put wheat berries in it and it turns it into flour. Like it's crazy. It is like the most powerful motor when you grind. So when you can do almond butter, cashew butter, we made peanut butter, sunflower seed butter, super seed butter, and if you do homemade peanut butter, it's literally just peanuts. Like it was crazy. It was pretty cool to watch. So yeah, so you can get wheat berries, make your own wheat flour. It just grinds it up. Like it's pretty insane. Hummus, that's next on my list. I've not made hummus, so here goes. It's cleaning it. So it just reached 140 degrees, 145, and it's gonna clean it for 2 minutes. So your blender will be nice and clean. You rinse it off and you're done. Soup setting, so you can do all kinds of different soups. Butternut squash soup. So, and like I said, it doesn't just go, go, go. It just works its way up to its right temperature. What else we got? Oh, the sauce setting. So I told you I made the Alfredo sauce. You can make sausage gravy in here, chicken or beef gravy, ice cream bases, hollandaise, and hot chocolate. I cannot wait to try hot chocolate once it gets a little colder. We make this nacho cheese sauce for my husband's barbecue. Retirement barbecue. It's pretty cool. And jam. Guys, if you ever wanted to make jam and you didn't want to mix and cook, and it brings it to the right temperature and tells you when to add the sugar and when to add the pectin. It's pretty amazing. So, and then custom. So custom you can do whatever makes you happy. So anyways, just want to show it to you guys. It's at 145. It's nice and hot. I mean, I wouldn't keep my hand on there all day long, but it's nice and hot, and it's cleaning it right now. So literally 10 minutes, almond milk, it's clean. You start the rest of your day. So let me know if you have any questions about the new Deluxe cooking blender. Ciao for now.